Hey, Shad here with Speed Addicts, the fastest growing gear site on the web, and today we're going to uncrate the Progressive Suspension Touring Link system. What's up, Speed Addicts fam? Before we get into this Progressive Touring Link for your Harley Davidson, before we do that, subscribe to the Speed Addicts channel. Get educated, up to date on the latest parts and gear. We're working hard here to give you the first look on some of the coolest stuff in the power sports industry. If you're subscribed, then you never have to worry about missing out. Also, if you'd like to support us here at speedaddicts.com, we really do appreciate your support, and it's as easy as shopping with us. There's going to be a link in the description below that'll take you right over to the Progressive Suspension Touring Link to shore up your bagger from 93 to 2013. That link will take you right over there. You can browse the full selection of Progressive suspension components if you don't already have some of their shocks on the back of your Harley or some of their fork spring systems, then you're missing out. Check those out at speedaddicts.com. Okay, Progressive Suspension, a leader in Harley aftermarket suspension. It's what they do. We've sold Progressive since our doors opened about 20 years ago. It's a name you can trust, and they actually manufacture their products in their HQ in California, which is not far from us right now at Speed Addicts HQ. Okay, so we like Progressive quality goods over there, from their shocks to their accessory products is what you'd consider this. So this is a touring link, and this is going to help correct the dreaded bagger wobble. Okay, 93 to 2013 to be precise. This is a stabilizer link, and it is a 3-piece system that is easy to install. It's going to make your bike more stable, which is something that everybody is on board for. So here is what we have, okay? We've got these two components that are connected by this rod here that has a bearing system in it, okay? So it's 3 pieces, plus we've got a hardware bag, okay? So this is all forged steel. This is heavy duty stuff. It is not going to interfere with your ground clearance, okay? That is an important point, which should be noted. The one thing you should know is that some aftermarket exhaust systems might interfere with where you have to mount this. There are instructions located in here. If you want to see the specific install and selection instructions, that's something our techs can get over to you before you buy if you're not sure that your exhaust might interfere with the fit. Otherwise, this is a straightforward install, something you can tackle at home, and $264 is the price tag. So relatively low dollar insurance to keep your bike riding straight out there. These FLH models are quite heavy, and when they start to wobble, it is not a fun thing. This is great insurance. We've sold hundreds and hundreds of them over the last, I think, not quite 20 years, but I think it's been out for at least 12 to 15 years. Sold a lot of these, and it's always positive feedback. So check it out, speedaddicts.com, link in the description below. And if you're not sure if this is right for you, of course, talk to our rider support team. They're standing by over there, phones, email, live chat, ready to help you out. Okay, that's it. We'll see you next time to find out what's in the crate.